properly wash this coil is first you gotta move this fan motor out of the way. So there's screws on both sides and a couple on the bottom, and then there's two screws right here that you have to loosen or take out that are right up here in order to slide this far enough out of the way for you to get a brush in here. And you gotta take a wire brush all the way from the back end and lightly loosen the debris that's stuck to the coil. And then once you loosen that, then you can use a coil cleaner to saturate it. Try not to get the motor wet. It should be far enough out of the way you don't have to worry about that. Now, when you spray the water either this way or that way, the dirt that's stuck on this side will now should be able to wash off. And you got to make sure when you're washing it that the water and cleaner is pushing all the way through it, but at the same time it's not bending any of these fins. Okay, and then you got to carefully put everything back exactly the way it was, including those two screws right there that hold this this plate on up here.